The 44th Wangala Dance or the 100 Drums Festival of the Garo people was held on 12th and 13th November 2021 at the Wangala Adam in Chibragre in the Garo Hills. During the festival, people pay tribute to Misi Sanlyong or Patigipa Rarongipa or the Sun God. The colourful festival concluded today with the guests dancing with the entire gamut of 100 Drums Wangala troops that came from across Garo Hills in an effort to be crowned the best Wangala dancers for the year. The festival has also been a showcase of various indigenous games traditionally played, the way of living as well as the culture of the Garo tribe. The day saw the presence of the Chief Minister along with his colleagues Marquis Marak and North Tura MLA Thomas Sangma. While speaking on the occasion, Conrad Sangma stated that the government was committed to promoting and preserving the culture and traditions of the Garo tribe. He announced infrastructural development at the festival site, wherein an amount of rupees 10 crores has been allocated towards development of facilities and amenities at the Wangala Adam or the Garo Heritage Village at Chibragre, which is expected to be a major boost for tourism and the enhancement of Garo traditions and their development.
Taloya Tribal Research Institute ko Tharian Baksa Jaya Tribal Research Institute to Plak Jatrang ni research rangkora program ko tsngak matkin. Yano Garo Hills na ba? Chikrang na ba section donggen. In the Garo Hills region of Manigaban, Aro Garo Hills so ya Tribal Research Institute to Manigaban, tentang manca ya Heritage Village ko develop kat nama no de nambat ken ane chanchie angad alo na ismana parak na skenga chinga new development bank ni true NDB ni true achni tourism ko develop kat na Meghalaya state kembakon chinga crore chas ni project ko matnaha sanction ujok ya crore chas nioni ya biapna chinga design rang ko tharing jok architect rang aro building rang ko gambak ko chinga tharimang rkemang total crore ko chinga sanction ka ahaina aro crore kungchi chinga building rang ko rkemang committee ni member rang nan chinga pakwat ke ni ko chalaina.
The Chief Minister also presented Rs 20 lakh check to the 100 Drums Wangala Festival Committee through the Deputy Commissioner for the year for hosting the festival. This is the second year in which the festival is being held in the present site after it was moved from Asanang about 7 kilometers away.